G'day guys, Dipstar81 here. Welcome back to my channel. Today just going to do a quick unboxing of my new Kincrome 3/8 drive and torque wrench. Let's I'll sort this camera out and I'll quickly unbox this thing, eh? Righto, so I haven't opened this thing yet, so I'm opening it for the first time, as you guys are seeing it. This is the first torque wrench I've ever owned, so I thought, as you're probably aware if you've watched any of my other videos, all of my tools are pretty much Kincrome. Third, it's a 3/8 square drive. Part number is MTW80F. So on the top, it comes in a nice firm blow molded case. So inside the case we have got a little leaflet, and then we got the calibration certificate, serial number and certificate number, which is a little in the corner there. It's a little bit hard to read, but then so let's whip her out and have a look at this thing, eh? The switch is really loose, like that. It just toggles, it moves back and forwards, but it's quite stiff to change it, which I guess is a good thing in a way. And we've got all the readings on here. I have been reading a bit, and it says you're supposed to keep these on 0 when you store them. So yeah, so that's what I'll be doing. Anyway guys, like I said, it was just a quick one, quick unboxing. I did ramble on a bit, but anyway, so yeah, quite happy with it. Anyway, Dipstar81, hope you guys are all doing well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification to get notified of all new content. Don't be afraid to drop a comment down below. I will always reply to comments. And yeah, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Dipstar81, catch us later.